Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about method overriding. So what is the concept of method overriding? So we can provide some specific implementation of the parent class method in our child class. So before understanding method overriding, you should understand the inheritance concept of object oriented programming. So what is inheritance? So in inheritance, the child class extends or inherits the properties from the parent class. So by default, whatever is there in the parent class will get inherited to the child class. So when the parent class method is defined in the child class with some specific implementation, then the concept is called method overriding. So let me show you in demo what is method overriding. So let's first create one class. Let's say we have class animal. You can name any class name you want. So this is class animal, and inside this class I have one function, let's say speak, which does not take any parameter. We will just print a statement, print speaking. So this is the implementation of animal class, and here I have another class, let's say dog, and inside this class if I say diff, and let's say another method eat, and here I will print the statement eating, and I need to make this as the child class. So I will have the parent class declared here. So I will say class dog is having the properties of animal class as well, because animal is the parent class for this dog class. And here I will create the object or instance obj, you can provide any name, obj of this dog class. As this dog class is only containing one function, right, eat, but still with the help of the instance of dog class we will be able to access the eat function and speak function. Why speak function? Because this is the parent class here, right? So I can say obj dot eat as well, because it is inside the dog class only, and still I will be able to access obj dot speak also, because this animal class is having the method speak. Let me run this code first. So see, I'm getting output for both the methods, eating and speaking. So what I want to do now, I want to do method overriding. So what is method overriding? When there is one method declared inside the parent class, you can also define the same method inside the child class. Let me define the same method here. So this is another method, so proper indentation should be given here. So def speak. So I am having the same method right here as well, and what I will do, I will print here, instead of speaking I will print now barking, right? I will print here barking. So now the method speak is available inside this child class dog as well, and inside this parent class animal as well. And when I try to access this speak method now with the help of instance of child class, what should be the output? Whether it will be the speaking or whether it will be barking. So let's run this code. So see, we are getting here barking now. Why? Because we have overridden the method in the child class. When we override the method in the child class, and when we try to access with the instance of child class, we will able to get only the implementation of child class. So that's what the theory says. When the parent class method is defined in the child class with some specific implementation, then the concept is called method overriding. We may need to perform method overriding in the scenario where the different definition of a parent class method is needed in the child class. So that is the case here. We want different implementation. So in this animal class the speak method was saying speaking, but in the dog class the speak method is saying barking. So that's why when we create the instance of child class we are getting this statement. But what if I try to create the instance of parent class? Let's say object is now instance of animal class. So once it is the instance of animal class, it will only able to access this animal class, right? Because only speak method is there now. It will not able to access this it method now. So if I try to access with the help of object instance, so I will be able to get only speak now, and this speak method will say speaking, because in the animal class the implementation provided here is speaking. Let me run this code. So see, we are getting here only speaking now. So that is the use of method overriding. When you want to specify different implementation in the child class, you can go with method overriding. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.